I promise, guys, it's just helpful to make these plans. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the best place to build your tech career and have fun along the way. I'm Liz, and today I'm super excited because in today's video, I will be showing you my spring 2022 course schedule for my second year as a PhD student studying computer science. It took a lot of time to think about and plan the next semester, especially because I am just trying to stay on track with all of my courses and my degree, but also have fun and take the courses that I'm interested in. Now, if you want something that is more general, last week I uploaded part 1, which is the ultimate guide to college course scheduling. So please check that out if you are a college or university student, because I'm sure it will help you plan your degree. Now, with that, let's get into the video. The first 3 tips were to utilize the course catalog for your school, ask your advisor which courses you should take, and 3, ask questions. So, when I was thinking about the course catalog, like which courses are being offered, I went to my school's website and I looked at the catalog and found out exactly which courses are offered and when and who teaches them. And then I also went to my school's academic portal and I was able to filter the courses by subject area. And this is particularly helpful when planning your degree. So I am particularly looking for computer science courses, some statistics and math courses, and potentially some database system and management information system courses. And then when I asked my advisor which courses I should take, the first thing I did, email. I love using email, it saves a lot of time. So I emailed my research advisor, and then I also emailed my PhD degree advisor. So I have 2 advisors. One is who I do research with, and that's how I am able to keep my scholarship and stipend for my degree. And then I also have a PhD degree advisor. And this one has more comprehensive knowledge of everyone doing PhDs and everyone particularly in the computer science PhD discipline. So I have 2 references for making my courses and ultimately graduating. I also did step 3, which is to ask questions. And again, I go into more detail on which questions I asked in the previous video. These were the courses that I was interested in taking. So I wrote down a list, and these ones were the top ones that either the content was interesting or the professor got amazing reviews, or this could help me with my degree, or my advisors recommended it. So here I have evolutionary computation, statistical learning, database design and applications, reliability engineering, which is a special topic course, and then analysis of algorithms, and then another special topic course, blockchain and fintech security. And then as a reference, if you guys are like, okay, well, that seems random, this is based on previous courses that I've taken. And so I've made a list here of courses that I've taken as a grad student, and this kind of set me up for my coming semester. And so I've taken an independent study course, bioinformatics, foundations of cybersecurity, and then entrepreneurship and commercialization of technology. I've taken a network theory course, artificial intelligence, system security, cryptography. And then I've also taken this current semester that we are in, I'm taking research and dissertation, stochastic modeling and simulation, and then information system assurance. So step 4 is to make a mock-up schedule. So this is, again, just the plain bare bones, a table with the times that the classes are offered and the names of the classes. Step 5 is to weigh the pros and cons. So this one, I had 2 pros and 3 cons. 1 pro was that I was on campus 3 days a week, and other students recommended evolutionary computation. And then my cons were that I am on campus on Fridays, and I'd prefer to have 3-day weekends, but we can only ask for so much. And then another con is that I've taken a lot of cybersecurity classes already, so I'm trying to branch out from that. And then 1 course is a 6,000 level when I probably should be taking more 7,000 levels. That's just how my PhD degree is leading me into, so I kept that in mind. Plan 2, I switched up these courses. So now I am showing you database design and applications, evolutionary computation, and statistical learning. So here are the pros. One is that I really want to take database design and applications. That was one of the first courses that I thought of because I'm interested in doing an internship in data analytics, and it's really good to have experience with databases and data. And then another pro was that other students recommended evolutionary computation. And then some of the cons, with this schedule, I would be on campus 5 days a week, on campus on Fridays. And I also have 2 courses here, which are 6,000 level. And I really need to be focusing on my 7,000 level courses. Plan 3. So in this plan, I have evolutionary computation, statistical learning, and reliability engineering. Some of the pros for this, I'm on campus 3 days a week, not terrible. I heard good things about the professor for the reliability engineering course. I also have reliability engineering as a 7,000 level course, which helps my degree. And some of the cons are that I would be on campus on Fridays, and all of these classes together, from what I was, listening to other students, it might be very challenging and time consuming. And then also I still have one 6,000 level course in this plan. So plan 4, I promise guys, it's just helpful to make these plans. So in this new plan, I have analysis of algorithms, evolutionary computation, and statistical learning. So for the pros for this is that I know other students are taking analysis of algorithms, which I hear is difficult, but if other people I know are taking it, then I should probably take it when they are taking it. So that way we can work together and have study sessions and all of that. And then for the analysis of algorithms course is also 7,000 level, which helps me. Other students recommended evolutionary computation. Now for the cons, I'd be on campus 5 days a week, and I'd be on campus on Fridays. And also the evolutionary computation course is 6,000 level. Plan 5. So now we have analysis of algorithms, statistical learning, and blockchain and fintech security. So some of the pros are that I'm on campus 4 days a week, and I have Fridays off. Other students I know are taking analysis of algorithms, and then also that course is 7,000 level. And one of the cons that I thought of is that I've taken a lot of cybersecurity courses. And so that blockchain and fintech security course is that cybersecurity discipline, which I'm trying to branch out of. Plan 6. So in this plan, I have analysis of algorithms, statistical learning, and reliability engineering. So some of the previous pros are repeated here. I know other students taking analysis of algorithms, and also it's 7,000 level. And then I've also heard good things about the reliability engineering professor, and that course is also 7,000 level. Now the cons for this, I'm on campus 5 days a week. I'm on campus on Fridays. And again, all of these courses together may be too challenging or consume all of my time. So this brings me to plan 7. In this plan, I have database design and applications, analysis of algorithms, and statistical learning. So the pros for this schedule is that I'm on campus 4 days a week, but I have Fridays off, and I really wanted to take database design and applications. Also, other students I know are taking analysis of algorithms, which is a 7,000 level course. Now, the only con to this plan is one course is 6,000 level, which is the database design and applications course. So I really need to be conservative with my 6,000 level courses. In this case, it's totally fine that I take this course, but in the future, I won't have very many 6,000 level courses left. So which plan did I choose? Plan 7. I counted the number of pros and cons, and this one won with 5 pros and only 1 con. And that's how I did it. That concludes my spring 2022 courses video. Thank you guys for coming on this journey with me. As always, I love connecting with you on my Instagram, Liz_Victoria_YT, and also on TikTok with that same username. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you very soon.